In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Instagram password while logged in. Instagram doesn't actually show your current password inside the app, but there's a reliable workaround that uses your phone's built-in password manager. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can view your saved password without changing it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right, then tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu. Go into Settings, then Security, and choose Password. Here's the important part. This screen only lets you change your password. Instagram won't display your existing one in the app. That's why we'll switch to a quick method that relies on your device's saved logins. Close Instagram and open your mobile web browser, Safari, Chrome, or whichever you prefer. In the address bar, type instagram.com and head to the site. On the homepage, tap Login to bring up the username and password fields. We're not going to reset anything, we're just going to prompt your phone to fill in the details it already saved. Tap in the password field. Your phone should offer your saved Instagram login through autofill or your keychain. Select the correct saved account. You may be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode before it fills in the credentials. Once it autofills, you'll see dots in the password box. Look for the show or eye icon inside that field and tap it to reveal the password in plain text. That's the entire trick. Your device is securely storing the login, and the website's password field lets you view it temporarily. If you don't see the option to show the password, double check that autofill actually inserted it and that you chose the saved Instagram entry. A few quick tips to keep things safe and smooth. Only do this in a private place where no one can look over your shoulder. Avoid screen recording or taking a screenshot of the revealed password. If you copy it, remember that it may sit in your clipboard until you paste something else. And if the autofill suggestion doesn't appear, it likely means the password wasn't saved on this device under that account. So this method won't reveal it. That's it. You've used your phone's autofill on the Instagram login page to view your saved password without changing anything. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more clear, no-nonsense Instagram tips and tutorials.